Sorry. So if you've written down your title, we're going to take a look at this Solve It here. Talia is playing a game in which she must choose option 1 or option 2, and then spin the game wheel. Then flip the coin, and then roll a number cube labeled 1 through 6. For her to win a prize, all these conditions listed under the chosen options must occur. Which option should Talia choose and explain? So with this spinner that she's got to do, there's 15 different letters. So instead of you trying to count this, I'm just putting it here, there's 15. So option 1, the game wheel lands on an S. So that's a 1 out of 15 chance, right? And then the coin lands on a tail. That's a 1 out of 2 chance. And then an even number is rolled on a number cube. Well, there's 3 even numbers out of 6. So that's another 1/2 chance. Sorry, I'm going to see if I can copy this. I'm going to have to take a little screenshot. Now, the other option is that the game wheel lands on a Z. That's a 1 out of 15 chance. The coin lands on either side. So that's a 2 out of 2 chance. 100% that's going to work, right? That's going to happen. And then the number 3 is rolled. So that there's only 1 3 on the 6-sided die. So looking at those likelihoods, which one is most likely to happen? So a lot of people, I think, are going to assume it's going to be this one because you've got one outcome that's like a guarantee. Flip that coin, it's a guarantee. So when we have multiple events like this, what we do is we multiply those fractions together and we find out what's the likelihood that all 3 of those events would occur. 3 over 6 is also 1/2, right? So for this to occur, multiply through the top, you get 1. Multiply through the bottom, we get 60. So there's a 1 out of 60 chance, and we can find that as a percentage or as a decimal. We can represent these in all those different ways, right? So 1 divided by 60, we're looking at 0.016 repeated. So move that decimal, it's 1.6 repeated percent. Those are 3 different ways we can identify. So then what's the likelihood over here? We've got 1/15. We've got a perfect 2 out of 2. That's going to happen. And then we've got 1/6. So we're going to times those, right? 1 times 2 times 1 is 2. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 6 is 180. And then I can reduce this to 1 out of 90. So actually, option 1's the better route to go. And let's find out what that percentage is. 1 divided by 90, 0.01 repeated. So that's 1.1 repeated percent. They're so close to each other, but still option 1 is the better and most likely outcome.